Let's go through the process of provisioning a cloud account as an administrator through Cloud Workspace. First, navigate to Workspaces and select Cloud Workspace. Click the Manage and Configure button, then select Requests. In the Account Requests section, select the Approved Request tile. Then, in the Approved Requests list, click a request ID to open the record. In the Select Cloud Contexts section, fill in the fields. First, let's see an example with AWS as the cloud provider. The cloud provider is already filled in based on your request. In our case, it's AWS. The CAM configuration should also be pre-filled with your cloud organization name. Select the organizational unit from the auto-populated list. Click Provision to initiate the account provisioning. Confirm the successful provisioning message. Here's another example, this time with Azure as the cloud provider. Here we are, back in the Manage and Configure section, with requests selected and the approved requests list displayed. We open our Azure request. If you're working with Azure, the configuration name for your cloud organization should be automatically filled in. In the Management Group section, select a group from the list. For the billing account, search for an existing account or create a new one. We'll create a new one. Click the Create New Billing Account icon. Select Single Account and enter the account and display names. Then click Add. For bulk accounts, select Bulk Upload, search for the tenant name, select the link Azure Playground. Sign into your Azure portal. Copy and paste the JSON response. Then click Add to complete the process. Follow the same steps for the Enrollment Account section. Click Provision in the top right corner. And finally, confirm your request by selecting Yes.